Hi, this is Patty DePriest, and welcome to Educate Academy, brought to you by the Kentucky Academy of Technology Education. Today we're going to look at previewing your site, publishing your site, and then checking your sharing options to make sure that everybody that you want to see your site can actually see it. So the first thing you're going to do is actually preview your site. And to do that, you're going to come up here to this little button and click. And it's going to open your site, and you'll notice down at the bottom I have three little icons. The first one is large screen, which means on your desktop computer or your laptop this is what it's going to look like. If I go to this one, it's going to show me what it's going to look like on the average tablet. And then this one here is going to show you what the site looks like on a phone. And so you can actually scroll up and down and see what is there on the site. This one here allows you to report a problem, something you're probably not going to do. Once you've decided that your site looks good on all three types of devices, then you can close this and you're ready to publish your site. To publish it, you're going to go to the blue Publish button and click. It's going to come up and ask you for the web address. This is going to be added on to the rest of this here. Notice it's bolded here at the end of that URL. I can change this to anything I want it to be as long as it's available. And so you can highlight this, or actually the first time you publish it, it's going to be totally empty, and you'll just type in whatever you want it to say. Notice that I can change who can view my site right here, and so I can click on Manage. And basically what it does here is it's opening the same thing as this button here with the person's head with the little plus sign, and it allows you to invite people to see your site. It also allows you to change here, the published version. Anyone can find and view, but maybe you just want to keep it to your domain, to your school. So then you can change it here to anybody with your domain can find and view the published version. The other option you have is to only share it with specific people, maybe parents in your classroom or something like that. That means you're going to be typing in or copying and pasting in email addresses in order to share it with just specific people. Once you've done that, and I'm going to go back to anybody with the can find or view it, and I'm going to save that, and I can say done. Brings me back to here, and I can publish my site. Now it's going to take a few seconds for it to do that, but once it's published, the best thing to do then is to check and make sure that someone outside of your domain, if you've shared it that way, can actually see it. So the way I do that is I typically open an incognito window. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the URL for the published site, and then I'm going to go here to my three little dots and open a new incognito window and paste in the URL. This is a window that is not tied to my Google account, which means that because I'm the owner, it's not going to just let me see it because I own it. And so I'm going to hit enter, and it comes up. So it tells me that my settings are working for allowing anybody that finds it to be able to see it. So the best idea to check and make sure it's working for someone in your domain might be to actually email it to somebody and actually have them test it to make sure that it actually works. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Thanks for watching and have a good day.